my lovely peoples, welcome back to my channel. I hope we're doing well. So in today's story I'm gonna do a full face glam makeup look with you guys, and I really hope that you enjoy. So if you wanna see how I get it, keep on watching and let's get started. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and also like this video if you did. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I already did this side and now I'm gonna do the other one with you guys. And I have here a little piece of tape to guide your makeup look and also to help you save time for this smoky eyes and everything. So the palette that I'm gonna use today is the Glam Reflections by BH Cosmetics. It's so beautiful and I really love the colors. As you can see, this makeup look came out so beautiful. So these are the colors of the palette and I am in love with this. So I'm gonna start off this makeup look applying the eyeshadow base, and today I'm gonna use the Paint Pot Soft Ochre by MAC. I'm gonna apply this product using a concealer brush. I already filled my brows a little bit using a warm brown eyeshadow. So no, it's a grayish brown eyeshadow, so I'm gonna apply just a little bit of product in this concealer brush all over the lid. I also have a little bit of concealer under my brows to highlight and clean up the edges. I'm gonna apply it with a big fluffy brush, the transition shade, and this is the shade Heart Shaped Cookie by Sugar Pure. I really love the color because it's a nude eyeshadow and this color really helped me to blend all the next colors. So I'm gonna place this color in the outer corner of my eyes, blending circular motions to the inner corner. Next, I'm gonna highlight my brows and in the inner corner of my eyes with the white eyeshadow from the palette. These eyeshadows are so pigmented, so I'm gonna apply a little at a time. Now, using a smaller blending brush, I'm going to apply this purple shade in the other corner of my eyes and in my crease as well. This eyeshadow is very pigmented, so I'm going to blend really well this shade. Now, beside of this gorgeous purple shade, I'm gonna apply this one, and this is the shade Promiscuous by Melt Cosmetics. Next, I'm gonna apply a little bit of the black eyeshadow in the other corner of my eyes to give this look more depth and dimension. In my eyelid, I'm gonna apply this gorgeous shade using a concealer brush because I really wanna pack this color on. So I'm gonna grab a little bit. So now I'm gonna remove this piece of tape and reveal this beauty. Using this little brush, I'm gonna apply a white eyeshadow in between the colors. And now, using this little angled brush, I'm gonna use the purple shade and the black shade to create the lines in the lower lash line. Alright, so I just applied my fake lashes as well, and I'm so addicted to these lashes. This is Wispy is Real Good by Velour Lashes. These lashes are amazing. I really love it. So now I'm gonna do my face with you guys, and I'm gonna apply primer. This is the Professional by Benefit, one of my favorites of all the time. Just because today I'm going for a more matte makeup look. And today for foundation, I'm gonna use Infallible Pro Matte from L'Oreal, and this is the shade Classic Ivory. This foundation is long wearing for 24 hours, so let's see what happens. Today I'm gonna use this one, and to apply this foundation I'm gonna use the 3D HD Blender by Sigma. Okay, now I'm gonna apply the concealer, and this is Age Rewind by Maybelline. I'm using the shade Fair. And to blend this concealer, I'm gonna use the same blender. To set all the lightest areas of my face, I'm gonna use the powder Lock It by Kat Von D, and this is the shade Light. I'm gonna apply it with this brush by Sigma, and this is a concealer blend kabuki, but I like to use this brush for a powder. So I'm gonna apply a little bit under my eyes and everywhere I highlighted my face. For blush, I'm gonna use Infallible by Sigma, and in this month you can use my code MelissaSB for 20% off in sigmabeauty.com. So if you're interested in get any brushes or makeup products, please make sure to use my code. And to highlight, I'm gonna use Mere Luminizer by The Balm with the brush High Thick Balm by Sigma as well. I love this brush to apply highlighter in my face. It's one of the best, and this highlighter is so pigmented. I love the shine. It's kind of a goldish champagne shade. It's so beautiful. So today I'm gonna use this one. And for my lips, I'm gonna use this beautiful lipstick by Ochre Cosmetics, and this is the shade Bel Air. I really love this nude lipstick. It's so beautiful. I love this shade, and the texture in the lips is so amazing. So this one is my choice for today. In the center of my lips, I'm gonna apply this one by Ochre Cosmetics, just to give it a little more color in this makeup look. So that's it for this look, my lovies. I really hope that you enjoy. I love how this look turned out. It's so beautiful. I love this kind of plum shades. This makeup look turned out so dramatic, and I really like this effect, especially in the double wing. And that's it for this look. I really hope that you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!